Hey everybody, so we have a bit of a haul today. If you haven't, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're here from the dog food recipe for kidney failure, I will be making a treat recipe soon for kidney failure. We just have a lot going on with my husband's health and stuff right now, and I just haven't been able to get to a lot of my projects that I had planned. So, anyways, we have 2 packages of brown sugar. So I use that in my husband's granola, and it's becoming elusive. Kind of hard to get. I will be seal and mealing those to keep them nice and fresh. I got an old El Paso Spanish rice. You can still get these for $1 a box, or maybe $1.29 now, but they're still relatively cheap. I got the Knorr Spanish rice, and these are definitely still $1. Well, they were. I'm not even going to say definite anymore because things are raising hourly. I got some dark chocolate brownie mix because my husband loves dark chocolate and brownies. I got a cheddar cheese powder. You can make your own macaroni and cheese. These I ordered a few months ago and they're finally coming in. These are Augason Farms freeze-dried peas. The same with these beans. These are Creole cream style navy beans, no salt added. I ordered these I think in November and they just came. I'm not going to recommend you get them because when I looked these up, they were $80 now. So I don't even know how these prices are legal. I got some lemon Oreo cookies. I got a 2-pound box of pancake and waffle mix complete, and I think this only needs water. Yeah, you just need water for that. I got a can of evaporated milk. I got a double can of chicken, and if you haven't heard, chicken production has been halted, so if you need chicken in the freezer, you need to get to the store. I got some freeze-dried broccoli. We got some Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I got a big container to refill my Body a Complete seasoning. I have 8 packets of the Chata refried pinto beans. I got some freeze-dried hamburger patties. I got another box of the skillet potatoes. I got 2 of the Krusteaz pie crust mix. I got a 1-pound bag of the Rao's rigatoni. And I got several Jell-O brand mixes. I got a cherry, an orange, a lime, banana cream, another cherry, and a chocolate, and that is so I can make pies and desserts for holidays and things like that. And these are still pretty cheap, so it's a nice treat. And if you have the Dream Whip, you can make your topping. I got another package of Judy's and the cream cheese powder. I got some baby dills for my husband because, well, we aren't growing anything yet, so I can't make my own. I've got a 6-pack of the chata seasoned shredded pork meat for Mexican dishes. I finally got the butter powder in from Augason Farms. Got the peanut butter powder in. And I got this pre-cooked white cornmeal to make hand pies with. So let's see what else. I got some Ritz Crackers. I got a 6-pack of the Triscuit Garden Herb because the other ones that I got went up to, I think it was $20-something. So I just switched flavors and these were cheaper. I got a case of the Chef Boyardee cheeseburger macaroni, and I got another case of the La Preparedness tamales. So that is my haul. Now I have a mess to deal with and put away. So if you haven't gotten your freezer full, go out and get some chicken and some eggs. Can it, freeze it, do whatever you can. Get money out of the bank in case they do hear what they're doing in Canada. There's bank runs going on up there. ATMs are out of money. So make sure you have some cash at home. And yeah, just stay safe, everybody. Stay healthy. And watch out for each other. So I will see you all in the next video. Take care.